you are doing shadowing, you are inculcating habit of reading and listening, you are listening every single day. It's great. But one thing is that you should be focused on your interest, that whatever you are listening, just listen in which you are interested in. Okay, whatever you are just reading, so that time also you need to think that what is your interest. You need not to pick any random book, and now you are going to purchase it, and then you think that you will be able to read it. So it's not like that. Sometimes learner make a blunder. If anybody just suggest any particular book that you can read, you can start from this, so they just purchase it impulsively. But it's not like that. If somebody is getting interested, if someone is interested in learning one particular genre, like fiction, non-fictions, or autobiographies, so you would also take interest. Maybe your interest should be something more. So first, just find your interest. Are you interested in short stories? Are you interested in uh, in reading biography, or are you interested in reading one particular content only on mobile? So you should think about your interest. Then we should indulge into reading habit. And reading should be also at persistent level. Means you can go with the one page or two page on daily basis. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so that is the thing, and read aloud.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, mm, to read any book, so to read online or in a physical way, which method is very uh, helpful?
Yeah, as you said that you are a full-time learner these days, it means you would have sufficient time. So one should start with physical book, because when we are with physical book, our all senses are just engaged with that. We are just seeing with our eyes that letters, and we are feeling it when we are just touching the book. So physical book is, there is no other good option as a physical book, because when you are going with the audio book, so sometimes there in between there is any notification, it is getting you disturbed. And if you find that any means any notification you find more interested, so you would just escape it. You would think that let it check first that what is there. But if you are with physical book, so at least you will just sit at one place, and or you can set your mood also. Yes, you are in jolly mood or you are doing traveling, so that time you can carry it with yourself. So it is good. And when we just read with physical book, so that time if there are any hard vocabulary, or if there is any particular sentence structure that we use to in our day-to-day life, so we can highlight it, we can note down it. And
Yes,
it is also important if we are reading one or two pages on daily basis. So it's important that that two pages should be read again, means twice or thrice, so that whatever difficult part was there that was not understood, you can understand very well. Yeah.
yes,
So
ma'am.
I would always go with a physical book, not with a online book, offline book.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, online.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, right now I am reading a book, 3000 Stitches of Sudhamurti, ma'am. And, ma'am,
Okay, great.
yes, ma'am. But, ma'am, now I am struggling with a financial issue, and nowadays I am looking for a part-time job. And that's why I'm not able to purchase any physical book. But ma'am, I have a desire whenever I am capable to buy any book, I
Yes.
will purchase, and then I just continue my
Yeah. Here I just
reading
want to
habits.
say one thing. Means it is not like that I have this that since starting I have been reading this kind of book, like like Sudhamurthy's book or Ruskin Bond book or some particular famous author, and I am purchasing from the market. The person who is totally beginner, and if there is nothing, if you are surrounded with the children everywhere around your house, there are so many children. You can take old book, or you can borrow some textbook also. Okay, so from there you can start reading. Reading means reading only. It doesn't matter that you need to purchase one particular book. Even there
Yes.
are many stalls that are providing old version also. Okay, so you can go there and you can select according to your choice. You can purchase old book also. That are very easy. Okay, and apart from that, we can go with NCRT book, NCERT textbook, like from class 1 to 8th onward. There are lots of teaching materials that would be useful to you. When you just go through with that, so you would come to know even in class 2 and 3 textbooks, there are such a vocabulary that is impeccable, really. Just go through those books also. Start from short stories. This is the best way to start reading.
Okay. So, ma'am, nowadays, what kind of book you are reading?
Yeah, nowadays I am reading Ruskin Bond only. I love short stories of Ruskin Bond. He is really a great author. I love the way of his comprehension, that it means the language he is using. It is really very comprehensible in day to daily life, and there are beautifully use of phrasal verbs and idioms. And apart from that, it is related to basic grammar. It's not like that. There are not a very high-fi or advanced structure. So it would be easily understandable. And others, if you just want to go with a self-help book, so you can start with Atomic Habits. Its language is also good. In Atomic Habits, we come to know that how we can adapt to good habits in our life, and how we can get rid of our bad habits, and what is the role of habits in our life. Actually, habits are the things that always leads you to success, because it is our future. It makes our future. Whatever you are doing today, you are going to be in future. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, recently you had a session with Rajni ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, how do you get the opportunity to connect with ma'am? Because I also try to connect with ma'am, but I'm not able to.
Yeah, actually, this is the process only. We need to send email to her. Okay, there is an email ID on her channel, so we can send email ID. And as she just connected, so she informed you. Yeah, it depends.
Okay.
Actually, it is not my first conversation with her. It was my fifth or sixth conversation.
So,
Yes, with
ma'am,
her.
may I know your spoken journey? When did you start?
Yeah, when did I start it? I started in the month of March, in the year of 2024. It's been 2 years now, and my first goal was to just work on my fluency. So in my first year, I started on my fluency, and this year I am just working on my voice modulation and accuracy. Actually, in the previous year, I was not paying attention on my speaking part too much. I was only doing reading, listening, writing. But when I realized that speaking comes by speaking only, and then I focused on speaking a lot. And this is the result that now I'm in front of you. Yeah, speaking in this manner. So this is all the hard effort of 2 years, and my consistency. I would say that consistency matters. Yeah. This is the mantra.
Yes.
Yes, to get success in every field.
Yes. So, ma'am, may I know what is your daily routine related to this language? What kind of activity you do on a daily basis?
Yeah, when it comes to my daily routine, so I am an early riser. I'm not a night owl. Okay, I get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock. Then I do my yoga sessions. After that, meditation, and then I complete my household chores and go to school where I deliver my classes. And in the afternoon, as I come back from school, so after that, I do conversation as I am doing this time with you. And after making conversation, I just do reading a little bit. And after reading, means I provide everything. I provide everything to my practice. Like I read something, I take one vocab every single day, and I practice it. I make lots of sentences out of one particular vocab, and before going to bed, I just write how I have just done my work, how I have completed my work, my thank you note to my God, and in this way, I say hi and bye to my day.